friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Today is part one of my fall clean and decorate. I'm so excited to show you how we are decorating the living room this year for fall. If you missed my fall haul video, I will link that down below just so you can see the prices in case you want to check out Home Goods and grab some of those pieces for yourself. I am using everything from that haul. The only thing that's missing is I did order a beautiful rug, but that won't be here until end of August, so I will include that in my fall home tour, which will be in September. So it is evening though, that's why I made a coffee. It's been a long day, but I'm so excited. This is going to be like a cozy, relaxing clean with me. So if you want, grab something to drink and let's jump right in. This is the majority of the stuff that I'm going to be using to decorate the living room. The only thing that I don't have out at the moment is I am doing a fall garland. You guys know I love my garlands. I already set up the base of the garland, but I don't have my bin out yet. So when I pull that out, we'll do that later tonight. First, I wanted to add in all of the pillows and the majority of florals, get all of that set up, and then later tonight we will work on the garland.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you're never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop.
Today's video is in collaboration with my good friend Lauren Yarbrough. She's a married mom of one with the cutest baby named Oliver. He's so chunky and sweet. I just love him. Today, Lauren is decorating her kitchen for fall. She always has such beautiful decor and makes her home so cozy. She's even doing a little bit of fall baking. If you need homemaking motivation, you gotta check out Lauren's channel. She posts new videos each week. While you are there, make sure you check out part one of her fall series. Her living room turned out so beautiful. I know you guys will love it. Lauren is the sweetest friend. We talk all the time. If it's not mom life, it's YouTube or business. She has become such a great friend to me. So after you are done watching my channel, head over to Lauren's. I'll link her video in my description box. Make sure you subscribe to her channel and let her know Ashley sent you. If you are here from Lauren's channel, welcome. My name is Ashley. I'm a married mom of 2 girls. We live in Michigan and I share tips on how to make your everyday life Pinterest worthy. If you are into seasonal cooking, decorating, and homemaking motivation, you are in the right place. Make sure you subscribe. I post new videos each week. Also, introduce yourself in the comments below and let us know where you are from so we can all get to know you better.
I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah, yeah.
If you are a subscriber here, you're probably wondering what this coffee table is doing here. So we've already been having tons of cozy movie nights. My oldest daughter is usually on the sofa closest to the window. The hubby and I are on this one, and my youngest has really been enjoying this chair with the ottoman. Normally we would have the ottoman here with a tray for like our drinks and our food, but since she's been enjoying that, we figured we're gonna need something else right here. And I've had this chest for years. We actually purchased it when we were up north antiquing, and I just never knew what I wanted to do with it, but I knew that I loved the color of the wood in this lantern, and so I knew that maybe if I stripped it, it would look really beautiful. So I am going to show a couple clips of how I did it. It worked really, really well. So if you're ever thinking about doing it, I highly suggest it. It took about 4 different coats. We used oven cleaner, and then I just scrubbed it right off, and then I sealed it with a clear coat, and I love it.
Gonna
I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
Here's what we have so far. I used the plain fall garland. This is from Hobby Lobby. I want to say it's $9.99, and then if you get it, you know, half off, it's super affordable. So I just ran that all the way across and down. I like to step back and make sure it's pretty full. So I'm going to be adding a ton of pieces in here, so I'm not too concerned if this isn't as full as here and here, but going down, it's a lot harder to make things hang properly. So I can always hang things here and add in more fullness, but I really like to add in a lot of garlands in the corners hanging down. So now we're going to add in some branches and some lights, and then I'll come in and add the larger flowers.
Here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
Alright guys, here is the finished look. I love the garland. I added a few leaves over to this pumpkin. I thought it just really completed the look. And then I decided to use some of my decor that I had. I wanted this to be really functional, so we added in this candle for if the puppies are around and we can't light this one. Then we just have some coasters and this beautiful little pumpkin. And then I actually switched, this pillow was originally here, and so I switched that out and then moved the pillows from there over here. It is so cozy. I cannot wait for the new rug. Left this table the same, and then over here I finished the garland, but when I did, I also added in a few fall leaves. Love the way that that turned out, and the garland is just so much fun with all of the little details.
I know the sign was given, it's in the way you move and in the sound of your heart. We tend to fall together, fall in love, and still in the end we'll fall apart. So it's hopeless that we stay close, but it's the life that we chose. It takes time to get it right, sleepless days and nights,